Hello to all my fellow foodies, and welcome to another episode of Island Girl GURL Foods TV. If you love my episodes, remember to hit that subscribe button and that little bell next to it. Ring that bell so you can stay updated or notified every week as I release my new videos. Now, this dish is the national appetizer of the Bahamas. Conky Conch Fritters. What is conky? Conky just means a whole lot of conch. It's loaded with conch meat. And my grandmother's recipe happens to be the best in the Caribbean. It's in my cookbook, Dining in Paradise. And now I'm going to share my personal recipe with all of you. So I hope you enjoy. So we'll start with all of our ingredients in its place. 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a half onion dice, 1 stalk of celery dice. We have a 1/4 cup of red bell pepper dice, 1 queen conch cubed, a 1/4 cup of green bell pepper. We have a tablespoon of thyme leaves, teaspoon of pepper sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic mince, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of RAQUEL'S seasoned salt, and 2 cups all-purpose flour. We'll start by pouring our baking powder in our flour, our onions, celery, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, our garlic, thyme leaves going in, a teaspoon of pepper sauce, any Caribbean pepper sauce will do, and then we want to just take a fork and mix everything together. We're going to take a little splash of water and just dilute our tomato paste, pour it in, going in with more water, half of the water, and continue to mix. And we will pour the remaining water and continue to mix. Ketchup is added. Then, of course, our beautiful queen conchs are folded in. We're going in with 2 tablespoons of RAQUEL'S seasoned salt. Mix well. Then we have our oil prepared at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a tablespoon, we're just going to allow the batter to roll off the spoon. And we want to make sure that the fritters are not getting stuck to the basket. Here we could continue to put in our batter, making sure that we're not causing the fritters to stick together. Adequate spacing is required. And then we want to flip our conch fritters after about 3 minutes. And we want to fry them to a golden brown, while making sure that the fritters are fully cooked inside. Then we're going to place them on a plate lined with paper towel. So here we have it, folks, my Conky Conch Fritters, loaded with queen conch meat, very subtle, very sweet, as I mentioned before, like clams. And it's time for the true test. Dipping it in my delicious gombe sauce. It's a hit every time. So I hope you will enjoy these Konky Conch Fritters at your next appetizer party. And this really takes me back to my childhood, the same way my grandmother made it, loaded with delicious conch meat, herbs, spices, vegetables. Flavor is what I'm talking about. If you want this recipe, folks, go on to my website, hit that link, and the recipe for my gourmet sauce is also available. This is a special pepper sauce made by me, your island girl, coming to stores near you very soon. It's called Flavor Pepper Sauce. You can also find recipes in my Dining in Paradise cookbook. And when we're in the Bahamas, as we say, if you're going, let's go. Until next time, tune in.